Hello students, we mathematics class plus 2 mathematics class. We will first chapter relations and functions. That's relation define. So, if we consider A. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In Cartesian product, Cartesian product of A cross B. We define A element B relation. So, set of 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. And in 2 2, 3. In 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and 2, 7. Okay. Next, 3 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7. And 4 is 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, and 4, 7 respectively. In 5 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഒരു കാർട്ടീഷ്യൻ പ്രോഡക്റ്റിനെ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്.